How to redeem PayPal gift card. So create or log in into your PayPal account if you have, and this is how it's look. This is a dashboard. Once logged in, just go to your wallet section. So in some of your account, you won't be able to find this wallet section because it's not available, right? It is available in few countries, right? And this is where you can manage your payment methods and funds, right? So here, if you just go and click on pay and get paid, here you will get this option money. So you can also go and click on there and click on add money here, and once you just go and click on add money, it will show in once you add it, you will get this available funds option here, and you may ask to provide the card number, any other required information to add money. Indicate how much money you want to transfer from gift card to your PayPal account, and be aware that if your gift card is in different currency than your PayPal account, it will convert it automatically. And just like me, if you're not able to find this option of wallet, it means it's not available in your country, and unfortunately you won't be able to redeem PayPal gift card. Thanks for watching this video.